As an institution, it is our responsibility to provide a support structure inside and outside the classroom that encourages all students to successfully complete their degree. There is no one-size-fits-all support system. Our offerings need to be diverse, flexible, and customizable to meet each student's needs. Students who engage in support services and find a connection to campus are far more likely to persist than those who do not. Gifts made to student support initiatives enable the college's commitment to provide the necessary support services that meet the needs of each SUNY Morrisville student and empower them to complete their degree.
Student success is really all about meeting our students where they're at. We have students that are coming from different places, different backgrounds. Every student needs individual resources on campus. We want also our students to feel that they belong here on our campus, regardless if they're a commuter student or a residential student. This should feel like a second home to them.
We invite you to learn more about these initiatives and contact a member of our team to discuss how you can be a part of these transformational opportunities.